In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert videos into your Behance projects. If you're looking to enhance your Behance portfolio with engaging video content, this guide will show you two effective methods to do just that. We'll start by exploring the recommended way of embedding videos, and then we'll move on to an alternative method of uploading video files directly. Let's dive right in and get started. First, we'll explore the official method of embedding videos, which is the most recommended approach. Behance has a clear preference for video insertion through embed codes rather than using direct URLs or HTML links. The first thing you'll need to do is find your video's embed code. If you're using Vimeo, for instance, you'll want to navigate to your video, click on the Share button, and then copy the iframe embed code. This method isn't limited to Vimeo. Behance supports embeds from a variety of platforms, such as YouTube, Adobe Express, Figma, SoundCloud, and many others, providing a rich array of choices for showcasing your content. Once you have your embed code, it's time to insert it into your project. Start by logging into your Behance account, and then either open an existing project or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're in the project editor, you'll notice an Embed Media button. Give that a click, and a box will appear where you can paste the iframe embed code you previously copied. This step is pivotal to getting your video to display correctly on your Behance project. After pasting the code, you'll want to position and customize the video to fit your project's layout. Behance provides flexibility in adjusting the size and placement of your embedded video, so feel free to experiment until the video complements your overall design. Now, let's talk about the alternative option, uploading video files directly. While embedding is the preferred method, sometimes you might need to upload a video file directly. In your project editor, look for the Files or Upload Files button on the toolbar. Click it, and then select the video file you want to upload, such as an MP4. Once uploaded, Behance will automatically select a frame from your video to use as the thumbnail. But take note, there's an important limitation here. Uploaded videos are capped at a maximum width of 1280 pixels, which could restrict the full bleed display you might be looking to achieve. For this reason, embedding videos is generally recommended for a more visually impactful presentation. So, that's a wrap on how to effectively incorporate videos into your Behance projects. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating dynamic and engaging content that stands out. Thanks for joining me today, and happy creating!